Alright, so I have a 27cc Craftsman gas trimmer, or line trimmer, some people call it a weed whacker. The throttle cable here is worn out and it doesn't engage fully all the way whenever you hit the throttle. It barely moves, so it's definitely seen better days. I'm going to go ahead and replace it with a brand new one. There's a part number right there. It's 753-06825. I know it says Troy-Bilt, Cub Cadet, MTD, amongst some other brands, but same parts for pretty much all of these line trimmers. Alright, first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and remove the handle and trigger assembly. Alright, well now I took the handle apart. What I would do, if you're unfamiliar with this setup, I would go ahead and just take a picture of the internals in here just in case you have trouble putting it back together. This isn't my first time doing this, so I won't have to take a picture. But if you don't know how to do it, you can always Google and find a video on how to do it on YouTube. Alright, so all I'm going to do is just remove the trigger assembly, get that out of the way, take this cable, and just work it out. Actually, I'll just go ahead and take this whole thing off. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and cut these zip ties. And I'm going to remove this sheath protective cover. And there's a bunch of electrical tape. It's all old. I'm going to go ahead and undo all of it. Go ahead and take So let me get a better angle so you can see better. I'm going to take this, actually, I'm going to go underneath. I'm going to use 2 screwdrivers, put one here and one underneath in the same space, and just push down on it, then you'll release the clip. See that? Basically, you want to compress that. Squeeze it, and then it'll come straight out. Alright, here's that new one. So all I'm going to do is just take this and pop it back in. Should go right in. There you go. that back in there. Alright, so this is just temporary. I'm going to take a piece of tape, electrical tape, cut that. Now all I'm going to do is just take this electrical tape and put it on there just to hold the handle, half of the handle onto the shaft. A little better angle there. And see if I can remember how to do that. Get that tape out of the way. Back. And then that should be it. I'm going to put the shroud sleeve back on. So they had it zip tied. I don't have any small zip ties, so I'm just going to go ahead and right now use some electrical tape. So you can take that up here first. One. All right, hopefully that'll do the job. Actually, this wire here is actually frayed a little bit right there, so I'll put another piece of electrical tape around there. This weed whacker line trim, or whatever you want to call it, is pretty old. I used it a lot over the years, so this is probably the last time I'm going to do any repairs on it. I'll probably end up buying a new one next season. Alright, should be good to go. Alright, so replacing that throttle cable wasn't too bad, a bit more tedious than I thought it was going to be, but anyways, mission accomplished. So far I bought several parts for this line trimmer. I spent probably about 35-40 bucks on it. Besides this video, I'll do another video on replacing the recoil pull start and pawl assembly. But yeah, after I'm done with these parts, these repairs, I'm probably not going to do any more investment in this. I'll probably just get a better gas trimmer, maybe a Steel or Husqvarna. Those are two good quality gas trimmers on the market right now. So anyways, if you like my video, if you found it informative, like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.